Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about Fanair Cosmetics gel kit. They were kind enough to send me their kit to try out and share my experience with you all. So I will be teaching you how to use the kit at home, and also I will be sharing my final thoughts on the kit towards the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. So the kit comes with absolutely everything that you need. This is their super cute compact LED lamp. These alcohol prep pads were also included in the kit, as well as the cleanser that you'll be using after you cure your nails. It comes with the base coat, the vinyl color of your choice, and of course, the in and out top coat. So I'm going to start off with clean nails. If you want to learn how to prep your nails before you paint them, I have a video just for that, so I'm going to leave it right over here, and we're going to move on to the next step. To make sure that my manicure lasts as long as possible, I'm going to take an extra step and I'm going to prime my nails by using the alcohol prep pads. All you have to do is rub all of the oils that might be sitting on your nail and you're good to go. Next, apply your base coat on every single one of your nails. I like to do a thin coat, and you can actually add in a couple of coats if you want to have a super thick look. For this time around, I'm going to do one only. The kit does recommend that you cure your nails one nail at a time, but for this case, do as I say, not as I do. And on to my favorite part, which is adding in some colors. So I'm going to be showing you a few colors that were sent to me. I'll be linking them down below in case you're curious to see. And I'm going to be working with very thin layers. When I'm working with gel, I like to just add on the colors slowly. I find that I have a better sleek and even finish instead of having that bumpy look at the end. So I highly recommend that you work with thin layers. If you want your nails to look thicker and you want that gel look, you can definitely use more layers, like 3 to 4, but in this case, I'm only going to be doing 2. Once you've applied that coat of color, you can cure it for 30 seconds. And this is what the first layer is going to look like. As you can see, the first layer is pretty transparent, but worry not because the second layer is going to look beautiful. I didn't need any more layers than that, and I was able to move on to the next step, which is my top coat. You can go ahead and apply the top coat to every single one of your nails and cure it for 30 seconds. And you're almost done. There's only one last step, which is grabbing the cleanser. There's always this residue that's left over after you cure your gel nails. So the cleanser is going to be perfect because it's going to remove that sticky feel. And voila, this is what they're going to look like after you're done. They're going to look beautiful. All in all, I do recommend that you get this kit if you are just starting to do your nails. It has everything that you need, and the polish itself is good quality. All you need is 2 layers for it to look like this, which is actually pretty amazing and hard to find. So if you do try it, don't forget to use the promo code. I hope that you enjoyed learning with me today, and until the next time, bye!